Hey guys, today we are talking about a quite common anomaly in a Polaroid picture, the undeveloped patch, and you will learn how to prevent it. Basically what happened is that the developer chemistry did not reach this part of the picture and therefore it is not developed. Why it didn't reach the picture? There can be all kinds of reasons. And one reason for that is, for example, roller pressure. So your camera has two metal rollers, and when the camera is ejecting your picture, the metal rollers destroy the chemical parts in the picture, and they also distribute the paste on the picture, and the development process starts. And you can see that on top of the picture there is the undeveloped patch, and no chemistry reached this part and it is not developed. So one reason is that, for example, the liquid in the film is dry because it maybe is old film, or there's just slightly not enough chemistry in the pots to reach this part. So if you have this case, then it can be that with your next film you will not have the undeveloped patch on your picture. I just, for example, had this problem the other day, and with the next pack of film I didn't have the problem anymore. And also, to avoid this problem, make sure to always store your film cool, like in your fridge or in your basement. Stable temperatures are important, and in my opinion, use your film. So do not buy some film, store it in your fridge for ages, and then think that it will last for your next shoot and everything will be perfect. So Polaroid Originals, they actually tell you to use your film within 1 year. I do recommend use the film even faster. Buy your film and use it. It is best when it is fresh. Actually, with old film, this anomaly can happen a lot more often. One more tip: do not ever freeze your film. Cool it, that's fine. Fridge is fine, but do not freeze it. So temperature does have an effect too. So if it is cold, it might be that the liquid is not that does not spread that easily over the picture. So it can happen that for that reason it's too cold and it therefore does not spread evenly on the picture. Anyhow, this is, like I said, it's quite common. It will happen from time to time to your camera. There are some models that are more likely to cause this kind of problem. For example, the SLR 680 camera. It can happen that a different batch of film will not show this anomaly with your film. But like I said, it can happen. There's one important thing that you can try. Always keep your camera rollers clean. So if you have chemical residue or some kind of dirt on the camera's rollers, always check, keep them clean. That can also cause this problem. I hope today's video was useful for you. Keep having fun with your Polaroid camera. If you have any questions about this problem or any other things about instant photography, just please leave them in the comments and I will try to help you. What's important is avoid putting pressure on this part of the film pack where the dark slide is. So if you put pressure on this part when you put the film in your camera, then it can be that you can see this part on the picture.